Global printer and scanner support. How to set up a new HP printer. Remove the tape and packing materials from outside the printer. If the device is all-in-one, remove all tape and packing materials from the scanner glass. Remove all the tape and packing materials from inside the printer near the cartridge and paper input tray. Plug the printer into the power source and turn on. Set the language, time and country or region on the printer control panel. Skip if you don't have a control panel screen on the printer. Open the ink cartridge access door. Wait until the cartridge is idle and silent before you proceed. Remove the tape on the ink cartridges before inserting them in the cartridge. Caution: close the cartridge access door and follow instructions on the printer. For print quality purposes, the printer may print an alignment page. Follow the instructions on the alignment page to complete the ink cartridge alignment. Depending on the printer type, load a stack of plain white paper in the main input tray and push until the paper stops. Gently slide in the paper width guides until they lightly rest against the edges of the paper. Or to get specific instructions, identify your product and call for support. Follow the link below to download the printer software. Global printer and scanner support.